If Discord is showing error 302 and your microphone is not working properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that can solve the issue on Windows in just a few minutes. We'll check your system microphone permissions, make sure your mic is unmuted and turned up in Windows, and then fix your Discord voice settings so the app can detect the correct input device. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's check your microphone permissions in Windows. Sometimes Discord error 302 happens because Windows is blocking microphone access in the background. To fix that, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From there, click Privacy and Security, then select Microphone. On this page, make sure microphone access is turned on. Also check that Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is enabled, because Discord needs that permission to use your mic properly. If that toggle is off, Discord may not be able to detect your microphone at all. Once those settings are enabled, close out of Settings and move on to the next step. Now let's make sure your microphone is not muted or set too low in Windows Sound Settings. Right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar and choose Sound Settings. Scroll down until you see the Input section. Here, click on your active microphone so Windows knows which device you want to use. After that, look for the Input Volume slider and make sure it is set to 100%. If the volume is too low, Discord may think your mic is broken, even though it is actually just too quiet. While you're here, also double-check that the correct microphone is selected in the input device list. If you have multiple microphones connected, Windows may be using the wrong one by default. Setting the correct device and raising the input volume can immediately fix the issue for many users. Next, we'll fix your Discord device configuration directly inside the app. Open Discord and look at the bottom left corner of the window. Click the User Settings gear icon. In the left sidebar, select Voice and Video. This is where Discord controls your microphone and audio settings. At the top of the Input Device section, change the selection from Default to your exact microphone name. This is an important step because using default can sometimes cause Discord to pick the wrong input device, especially if you have a headset, webcam, or external microphone connected. Selecting the exact microphone helps Discord stay locked onto the correct source. If you still see the error banner or the mic still isn't working correctly, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Voice and Video page and click Reset Voice Settings. This will restore Discord's voice settings back to their default state and clear out any configuration that may be causing the problem. After resetting, go back and reselect your microphone again so Discord uses the right input device. Then test your mic by speaking or using Discord's built-in mic test if available. In many cases, this final reset clears up stubborn voice bugs and fixes error 302 right away. If the issue is still not solved after these steps, try restarting Discord and even restarting your computer. A simple reboot can help Windows apply the new microphone permissions and audio settings correctly. Also make sure your microphone is plugged in properly, not disabled in Windows, and not being used by another app at the same time. Some apps can take exclusive control of your microphone and stop Discord from using it. So to recap, the main fixes for Discord error 302 are enable microphone permissions in Windows, turn up your input volume and sound settings, set the exact microphone in Discord voice and video, and reset voice settings if needed. These steps solve the issue for most users and only take a couple of minutes to try. If this video helped you fix Discord error 302, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, step-by-step tutorials, and quick fixes for everyday tech problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.